Hi everybody, I'm Justin Woody, and today I'm going to be sharing the findings I found from a couple of usability comparisons between the websites of Nike and Adidas. The usability comparison was completed through a series of 10 common tasks aiming to arrive at an overall conclusion on which website is easier to use and navigate through. In this presentation, I will be referencing the comparisons between Nike and Adidas websites for the assigned task of shopping for men's shoes. The task was designed to see if the amount of time it took to get to the men's shoes section on one website was shorter than on the other website, saving the customer time. However, during the test, when I hovered the cursor over the men's tab on either website, I discovered the shoes option to be displayed, making the time to complete the task identical for both websites. I found the Nike and Adidas websites to be practically identical in ease of navigation and usability for the remaining 9 tasks. Nike and Adidas are such similar companies not only in the type of products they release but also in the type of customers they attract to their websites. With this in mind, I am not entirely surprised that both of these websites look and function in the same way.